it is a really good game. You can they in the first trial they show you how to, and this is the power button. You can even unleash each attack. I think my attack gone wrong, so we have to defeat other people to get at this. They can also do attacks, and now I am very weak at this, but still I am good. I have played this game many times and I have won many times. So guys, let's see how much can I reach. Okay, let's start. In this you can also level up special attack 1 on a bronze card character. Upgrade card are single use and can be applied on the back of the character. Add to collection. These can be, and 3% bonus attack for Shirai Ryot character. And this is also, they can also help upgrade your character. So yes, if you need these things, if you need to get powerful, you will have to get these things in for you. Yes, so I am going to place this and tap to upgrade your special attack. I can even get this. Look, I have to but use this upgrade to increase the damage of a special, and I can even buy with those coins. Look, the game is about to start and we are here. I think I know this person. He has some kind of a poison attack, and now we can even switch our teammates, so the others can take relax and the others who have full life can attack. Look, I am going to do this, and he's defeated. And now I'm going to bring another person, and they are gone. So yes guys, I won another battle. I'm going to have to level up till level 3. So yes, now here this level up your account may also reward souls. You can, even if you level up, you will be rewarded souls, which can help you so much. And look, I've got 5,000 rupees. I can even control all these. So yes, tap on the card to purchase it. This one we get the beginner pack for free, and I am going to these also contains silver coins. Look, I have just clicked it, so it will happen. Wait, and I have that to open, and oh my god, I got a character. Yes, I took collection. I'm going to play here, and my tutorial is finished, so let's start. We will do this, and my username is Bilawal Abed. So I accept this name. Must have. Okay, no space. Now, okay. My name is Bilawal Abed, and now I'm going to do back. And now I need to play. Oh no, this is the same battle mode. I will have to play here. I can even edit team, and so I am going to choose. You don't forget to present after changing or note that besides saving you can also. Okay, so which one is weak, so I can replace this. And the weak one, the most weakest, and this is Monk. No dude, I have to replace it. So I will just have to place this and save. Okay, now back. And now I'm going to fight. Oh my god, I'm going to fight a fire person. I hope I win, because in this case, if it is, he has some poison attack. I have to be careful when I do this. And you can even put it in auto, so he won't do I don't think he will do combo attack, but he will do the normal attacks. Look, we can change even players. We can even change players. with this. So I am going to. Oh yes, and one more attack. Yes, before he was able to do his trick, I just killed him. So this is the last person, guys, and I think I'm going to. Oh my God, I won! And now he's finished, and he's dead. Yes, guys, I won. And let me see if I have Bleach level 3.
But I saw
Please,
you.
please.
I saw you.
Okay, please. Yes, both are level 3. Now Scorpion has to be level 3 as well. So I can just do this. Guys, if you want to be my friend, just give me friend request. And my name is Bilawal Abid, B and AR capital. So you know these kind my name. So please, if you wanna be. And now I am going to fight these as well. They just give us these arrows to make us give power ups. And now he's finished. Yes, it is plus 72 damage, so yes, it is still worth it. And he's finished. Last but not least, he is him. And middle, yes, 95% damage. And I am going to, oh no, my character. I am going to kill him. Dead. And now let's see, please, level 3. Oh yes, guys, this was the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please download this game. This is a cool game. You can even see your creativity, and you know many skills how to defeat others, and you will get too much. It is an addictive game, and it is also fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe.